Is Santa coming?
Yeah.
And then what?
Prize.
Presents?
The presents.
Have you been good or bad, boy?
Good.
Yeah, right. I don't believe you. Look at the camera and say good. Cosell, did you see some reindeer yesterday?
Yeah.
And what they look like? What was they doing?
They was brown.
They was brown. And what was they doing?
I do like monster clubs.
They was running across the street.
Yeah.
There was a whole bunch of them. There was the mama and the daddy and the grandpa.
Yeah, and the little babies.
Oh.
And they was cute.
Oh.
You like that? And there was a little white
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
They were super cute.
It was super cute.
Oh.
Super cute.
Cosell,
What?
somebody texted me last night.
Who texted you?
I don't know.
Don't know.
They just left a message and said, "We're here."
Michelle.
Come on, Lonzo, let's go downstairs. Get something to drink.
Okay. Oh. 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 Okay.
Go on, little buddy.
Okay.
Go on, little buddy. Go on, little buddy. Go on. Mama's little cake.